So we got the expression, right? Logical expression for sum column as well as the Cout column. Now sum, I got logical expression Cin XOR A XOR B, or like this also you can take A XOR B XOR Cin. And second output column is what? Cout. Cout you got what here? AB plus Cin of A XOR B. Now for these two, using these two expressions, logical expression for the output column, we have to draw the logic circuit diagram. Now here I have generated the logic circuit diagram. So first one is what? S is equal to A XOR B. I'll take what here? A XOR B. So A input, right? B input. So XOR gate symbol we know, right? So XOR gate symbol, it is generating what here? A XOR B, right? After that again this A XOR B has to be performed with what again? XOR operation with what? Cin. So one more input I am taking Cin. Now the output of this XOR gate is what here? A XOR B. Now this input, one more input, that is nothing but what here? Cin. Now which operation again I am performing here? XOR operation. Now these two, A XOR B as well as what here? Cin. So these two inputs I am giving for what here? XOR gate. So which is generating what here? Cin XOR A XOR B, right? So that is the first output, that is sum column. Now when you are coming to the second expression, second output column, that is Cout is equal to AB, right? OR operation. Now again Cin A XOR B. Already A XOR B we got, right? So that I have taken here, right? A XOR B into Cin. So AND operation I have to perform. Now Cin I have taken here, right? Cin along with what here? A XOR B. So which operation I have to perform? AND operation. Then I am getting what here? Cin of A XOR B, right? Now second one is what? A into B. Now from here only I have taken A input. Now again B input, right? So which operation here it is? A dot B. It is generating what? A dot B. And here it is what? Cin into A XOR B. Now these two expressions are performed with what here? OR operation. Plus is nothing but what? OR. Now this output A dot B and here this output Cin of A XOR B, both are taken as input for which one here? So OR gate. So OR gate, and it is generating what here? Second output column, that is Cout. So AB plus Cin of A XOR B here, right? So last step is what? Generating the logic circuit diagram. You are going to draw what here? Logic circuit diagram for the output column, that is first output column is sum and second output column is Cout. Now one more diagram also I have drawn here, that is, so half adder implementation of what here? Full adder, right? So I am going to generate the logic circuit diagram of full adder with the help of half adder, right? So half adder we know. So what were the outputs? Output were sum, carry. Sum is equal to what? A XOR B, and carry is equal to what? A into B. Now see here, AB input. Two inputs will be given to what? Half adder. So two inputs I have taken, which will generate what again? Two outputs. That is nothing but what? Sum and carry. So sum is A XOR B. Carry will be what here? A dot B. Again, so this I am giving as an input to the one more half adder here, and so here I am taking one more input. First input is A XOR B. One more input is Cin. Right? Now this will generate what here? Sum will be what? So two inputs, XOR operation it is performing. So first input is what here? A XOR B, and second input is what here? Cin. So that is A XOR B XOR Cin. Right? You got the sum of which one? Full adder here. And second one is what? Cout you should get. So Cout I have taken A dot B, right? So AB plus. So OR operation I am performing with what here? Cin into A XOR B. So that is generating what here? Cout. So by making use of here two half adders, I am going to generate the logic circuit diagram for the full adder. Right? So till here it is full adder. So next concept you have, that is flip-flops. Next one is what here? Flip-flops. Already you have studied in digital electronics. So what is this flip-flop, right? So flip-flop stands for, it is a basic memory element. Flip-flop is nothing but what here? Basic memory element. So which is used to store only a bit of information, right? Either it can store binary 0 or it can store here binary 1. That is nothing but the flip-flop, right? So flip-flop is nothing but what here? Basic memory. Memory is nothing but what? Which is used for storing the data. Now what it is going to store means it is used to store a bit of information, right? So a bit of data. So that bit can be either 1 or 0. Binary 1 or binary 0. Now what is the purpose of using this flip-flop means these flip-flops, right? So they will be interconnected or they will be wired together. So where we are using computers, right? So it is used to store what? Binary information on. So they are flip-flops will be grouped together or wired together or interconnected with each other to form what here? Digital circuits. Right? So that digital circuits can be counters or it can be shift registers here. So to create that counters and shift registers only, we are going to make use of these flip-flops, right? So that is a number of flip-flops will be grouped together or interconnected together, right? So in digital circuits such as what? Counters as well as the shift registers. Now what you can give? What are the characteristic features of the flip-flop means? So this flip-flop is a bistable device. You can define this flip-flop as what here? Bistable device. Means it is having two stable states, either binary 1 or binary 0. So 2 marks they last my here, flip-flops here, right? So the characteristics of flip-flop, first characteristic is it is known as a bistable device. That is, it can store two stable values, that is either binary 0 or binary 1. And second one, it is generating two outputs here, where one output is complement of the another output. Always one output. If I am taking the output as a Q, then it is going to generate the another output, that is nothing but the Q dash. So these are the two characteristics of what here? Flip-flops. And you have multiple number of flip-flops here, right? Such as RS flip-flop, right? And JK flip-flop, right? D flip-flop. Next is T flip-flop. And one more is master and slave flip-flop. Right? So these are the different flip-flops which are supported here. So till here, so flip-flop. So next you have what are the different types of the flip-flops.